All right, the final batch of Epstein documents released today. We have attorney Misty Marris, who's been helping with the cull since this started. So, Misty, there's some big shot name in there that some will know, some won't, but it's the suggestion that goes along with it that has eyes popping. What did we learn?
Yeah, absolutely, Chris. So after almost 5,000 pages of documents today, the final batch of the Epstein documents were unsealed by the court. What names did we see? We saw the name Les Wexner. Now, this was identified in the deposition of Virginia Giuffre, stating that she had sexual intercourse with Wexner at least 5 times between the years of 1999 and 2002. She also testified that she saw him engage in other sexual interactions with at least 2 other girls. And, you know, Chris, this is relevant, and it's because there's not a tenuous connection between Les Wexner and Epstein. So who is Les Wexner, right? He's a billionaire. He built a retail empire, bought Victoria's Secret in 1982, expanded it into L Brands. This is Abercrombie and Fitch, Bath and Body Works, you know, these huge name companies. Well, guess who his financial advisor was? It's Jeff Epstein. And he gave Jeffrey Epstein so much control and power of attorney, allowed him to take out loans on his behalf, was responsible for giving or selling Jeffrey Epstein the $77 million Manhattan townhouse. So really, really intertwined here on those finances. Now, Wexner said that he had cut ties with Epstein in 2007, but before that, he alleged that Epstein had actually taken $50 million. Why is that? Well, that's a lot of money, right, Chris? Well, he never brought any case after him for theft or fraud or anything like that. So a lot of questions there.
It's a lot of money to let go. So the question becomes, if he were telling the truth, why would he let it go? And that then takes us down this sordid little path towards sexual involvement. Where do we get this allegation?
So Virginia Giuffre testified that she had seen Les Wexner engage in sexual intercourse with minors. That's in her testimony. And with this testimony, she said that she had reported multiple individuals to the FBI and specifically said that she did not believe Les Wexner would ever cooperate with law enforcement or provide any information regarding Epstein because she had seen him engage in that conduct. And so therefore, Chris, it loops back into this whole theory of, and that we've heard through some of the testimony, that there's videotapes, perhaps photographs, whatever it might be, that's being leveraged over the heads of the billionaires. Now, there's also been, there was in some documentaries and in the public sphere, allegations that Jeff Epstein and Les Wexner might have had a sexual relationship. So whether or not there's more to that, we don't know.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.